Mastering string replacement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you improve your skills. Today, we're exploring a fascinating concept: string replacement. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, making it simple and easy to understand. String replacement is all about changing parts of a sentence or text, which can be incredibly useful in both written and spoken English. So, let's get started and master this useful skill. String replacement refers to the process of replacing one part of a text with another. Imagine you have a piece of string, and you decide to cut a part of it out and tie a new piece in its place. In English, we do this with words or phrases within sentences. Why is this useful? It allows us to correct errors, update information, or even change the tone or style of our communication. There are several scenarios where string replacement comes in handy. 1. Correcting mistakes. If you've made a typo or grammatical error, you can replace the incorrect part with the correct one. 2. Updating information. Facts and details may change over time. String replacement helps us update dates, names, and other specifics without rewriting entire texts. 3. Adjusting tone or style. Depending on your audience, you might want to make a sentence more formal or casual. Changing a few key words can help you achieve the desired tone. Performing string replacement involves a few steps. 1. Identify the part to be replaced. Read the sentence carefully and decide which part needs changing. 2. Choose the replacement. Decide on the new word or phrase that will take the place of the old one. 3. Make the swap. Remove the old part and insert the new one, ensuring that the sentence still makes sense grammatically and logically. Let's see an example. Original sentence: she goes to the gym on Fridays. Replacement: Saturdays instead of Fridays. Updated sentence: she goes to the gym on Saturdays. To make the most out of string replacement, keep these tips in mind. Context is key. Ensure the replacement fits the context of the entire text or conversation. Keep it grammatical. After replacing, read the sentence to make sure it's still grammatically correct. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it will become to spot opportunities for effective string replacement. And that's a wrap on string replacement. Remember, mastering this skill can greatly enhance your ability to communicate clearly and effectively in English. Whether you're writing an email, preparing a report, or just chatting with friends, knowing how to replace strings can make a big difference. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.